Hi folks, Brian Melska here at Johnson RV. It's a great day to show you this new arrival to us, a 2025 Leisure Travel Unity MBL. It is on the Mercedes-Benz chassis, has all the upgraded safety features that you expect. Looking at this coach, it is 25 feet 1 inches in length. This one is equipped with the Alcoa rims. Nice thing about Leisure Travel is they do six coats of paint on the exterior, as well as vacuum bonded walls. And the nice thing about that, it gives you this nice little curved feature, so it doesn't really look like a box going down the road. This does have optional storage in the lower compartments. As you can see, this comes with the option of having a TV out here. The customers chose to go with storage. Again, this is pre-owned. It's hard to tell unless you noticed some things in the storage compartments. Beautiful rig. We've got our 5,000-pound towing hitch on the back, as well as an integrated backup camera. The back end is a mold and the front end is a mold, and they bring that over the walls. They double seal that, so it's sealed, and then there's a cap that's sealed on top of it, so you get just a peace of mind. Nice big storage compartment here, bigger items. Obviously they've got some stuff for moving down the road, even a hammock involved there. You will see this does have a bump out. We've got the Truma hot water heater there, but it does have a bump out because this is a MBL model. Nice integrated steps. And let's just go take a look on inside. See, as when I open the door, the step automatically comes out for me. We can turn that to just the camping mode where it stays out at all times. But boy, look at this luxury when you come in. With that slide out, you get all that nice room. We do have a lounge here that does make down into a chase bed. And behind it, as you can kind of see, the Murphy bed would come down over that. So you've got a nice, big, large mattress. One of the nice features is running down the road, even with this in, you still get that beautiful sunshine coming through the top window there. This is the cockpit of the Mercedes-Benz chassis 2025. We've got the nice ultra leather covered seats. That's something Leisure Travel does. Most companies don't. That ultra leather will run throughout the coach. These front seats do swivel. They've made it so you do not have a step there in the front cab area. So it's nice for not tripping. As you can see up here, we've got a lot of storage compartments, both here and back towards the galley. The TV can be watched in this scenario. So you can watch it while it is down in this setting with a flick of a switch. It pops up just like that. It does swivel towards the front. So if you're sitting with the front seats turned around, you do have access to watch some TV. As you look here, one of the nice things they've done in this model year is now we've got a fridge that opens up at the top, and now your freezer is a pull-out freezer. Keep that ice cream frozen. You've got hanging storage here, as well as some drawers. Storage. And again, 25 feet 1 inch. Not a big coach, but with lots of storage. Full Corian countertops here. We've got the 2-burner stove. More storage up above, as you can see. And in the MBL, one of the nice things is this big, large bathroom. You've got it's a dry bath, so you've got your toilet. You've got your shower here that locks into position. And actually, I don't know if I can open it with one hand. It's a little bit tough, but it is doable. Well, I won't even demonstrate. I'm almost 6 feet tall, and I fit in there just fine. Again, more storage. They've thought of everything. Even this storage up here is a pull-out. But very nice coach, in and out. Very low miles. We've got the rope lighting up at the top. Again, 25 feet 1 inch. My name is Brian from Johnson RV. If you would like more information about that, please give us a call.